This is Installer Smart, who commissions KOSTAL inverters and wallboxes, quickly and easily, with the PLENTICOIN. Simply order the digital PLENTICOIN from a wholesaler and fill up your own installer company account on the KOSTAL Solar Webshop. Pass your KOSTAL customer number and the email address of the user account. The PLENTICOINs will then be booked into the company account on the KOSTAL Solar Webshop. The PLENTICOIN is handled in 3 simple steps: buy, book and redeem. Simply let your own supply be filled up with PLENTICOINs in the KOSTAL Solar Webshop and redeem them at any time. Receive an activation code for additional functions such as battery function, power upgrade and comfort function.